wait, which one?
This one right here.
Okay.
That's your brake. You hold that and it goes into reverse.
Okay. Woo! Look at Lex Creed in the water! I'm so proud of me! Huh?
Go fast, you gotta go consistent.
Okay, I'm gonna try again. Wave.
What do you mean wave?
Oh, you break it?
What, the wave?
No. I'm talking about how do you stop?
Okay. I mean, it's gonna have to keep it. It's gonna have to keep it motion. That's how stuff falls.
Oh shit. You might need to take back over.
Here, look to the right.
Like, I want a video.
Video.
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Start in the back and work your way up to the front. You're not getting me though. You get you.
I'm in the video. Hanging on for my dear life.
You ain't hanging on to me.
I know. I'm hanging on to the rail.
Okay. Start in the back and work your way up to the front. You're not getting me though. I want you to know I'm driving. I haven't seen that come out yet. Get you.
I am. I'm in the video. Hanging on for my dear life.
You ain't hanging on to me.
I know. I'm hanging on to the rail.
Okay.
You done with your video now?
First I did. Oh. Okay. Okay, we can put my phone up now.
You done?
I'm gonna get a little bit closer to the shore and then I'm gonna let you take back over.
Nah, take back over right here.
I wanna drive for like 1 more minute.
Here. Last time flip over.
Oh, now I gotta hit. Oh, it does slow you down.
See?
It stopped.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna let you take it back over. Hold on, let me go like one more minute.
Turn around, turn, keep turning. I wonder what they say, what the flag say.
That's a good question.
Come away.
Oh, that's not Malibu. Oh, man, they gonna give me some Malibu. Woo! Yay, Malibu!
That was sweet.
Yes, it was. Okay, you can take it back over now, babe.
Alright. Fuck up.
Nah, I'm just gonna scoot back.
Alright, hurry up. Hurry up.
Hold up, wait, let me break us.
There you go. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry
Wait. Yo ass.
up. You take it all day. You gotta,
I don't-
you gotta
I-
move quickly.
Okay.
Quickly.
Hold up.
You ready?
I'm scooted back. All you gotta do is get in front of me.
I am. I'm trying to. Hold
I wanna-
back.
wait.
Back. Scoot back.
I'm back, babe. Catalina Express, that mean they coming back from Catalina Island. Had the time of their lives yesterday. Okay. Wait. What you doing now? Huh? Let me go. Huh?
People parasailing?
Where?
Right there.
Oh my goodness! We can go parasail if you want. I'm kind of scared to parasail. Honestly, we don't have enough time today.
That is true.
Can't do everything in one day. Between the jet skiing, we're gonna get us something good to eat. I say something barbecue, but I'm open to a burger too. Okay, I need my phone so I can shoot some content back here. We in the middle of the ocean, babe. I just want to do a little video. Dang, I know I want to get in the water today though. So maybe in between we can go like get in. Get in there. That's the little islands that they talking about. You can only go 5 miles by the islands. They drop your speed. Huh? Shoot, I'm scared to do it by myself. My phone? Really, we got an hour, but we started early. Huh? So we don't know what side we go back. Woo! From what?
5.
Whatever. I want to look back. Oh my goodness. This is what life is about. We living life like it's golden. You just try. Ooh. Okay. I'm wilding. Please don't flip us because I do not want to get my hair wet, babe. Please. My supervisor's coming on Tuesday. I don't have time for that. Let me make sure my glass is recording. Look at the cruise ship. Huh? Is what supposed to be over here? Yeah, you wait. They said you can go past the cruise ship right there. They said once you go past the cruise ship, that's when you can go as fast as you want. Look at the little boat. How does it feel to be driving? Woo! Wait. Then they talking about some go as fast as you want. And all these waves? Huh? This is so relaxing, babe. Huh?